Hi, this is Henry with WP Fusion. Today I will be showing you how to set up MemberDash with WP Fusion. To begin, navigate to the Memberships page under the MemberDash tab in your WordPress admin dashboard. If you haven't already, create a new membership. For this example, we'll use the starter membership that I created earlier. Select Edit to bring up the settings page for this membership level. And on the left, click on WP Fusion, found under Automated Email Responses. From here, you have two options: Apply Tags and Link with Tag. Any tags you set under Apply Tags are automatically applied in your CRM to any user who is added to this membership level. If you save a tag as a Link with Tag, the tag gets applied like an Apply Tag would, but when your Link with Tag is applied to a user in your CRM, they are automatically added to this membership. Also, if that tag is removed from the user, they are automatically removed from this membership. Finally, the tag will also be removed automatically if the user is removed from this membership. With that in mind, select whichever tags you wish to save to your membership. You can save multiple tags as Apply Tags, but only one tag can be a Link with Tag. Once you're finished, click on Save Changes. Now, if WP Fusion is set up correctly, you're all set. WP Fusion will now sync any new membership registrations or modifications to your CRM. If you have memberships and members from before setting up WP Fusion with MemberDash, you may want to sync all of your previous members. To do this, navigate to the WP Fusion settings page under the Settings tab in your WordPress admin dashboard. And click on Advanced. And scroll down to the bottom until you find Batch Operations. From here, click this circle next to MemberDash Memberships and click Create Background Task. And select OK. This will go through all of your members and apply any missing Apply Tags or any missing Link with Tags that you set up on your memberships. If you have any questions, leave a comment below for myself or others to answer. To view a full walkthrough of the features that are available with the MemberDash integration, there is a link to the documentation in the description below.